Hello kids! This is your teacher Neri and welcome to our channel. Today we are going to practice how to write the letters of the alphabet again. Before we will proceed with the next letter, we are going to review the last letter that we studied, which is the letter
G.
The sound of the letter G is G. Again, what's the sound of the letter G?
G.
It's G. Let's also review how to write the letter G in the air. Write along with me. G, G. G, G. That's the capital or the mama G. How about the small or the baby G? This is how we write it. G, G. G, G. Okay, letter G, the sound is G. So now I will introduce to you the letter for today. The letter that we are going to study for today is this letter.
H.
Yes, the H letter. And do you know the sound of the letter H? The sound of the letter H is it's very easy. It is just like we are
Exhaling.
This is the big, the capital, or the mama H. And this is the small or the baby H. They are both letter H. And they also have the same sound, which is If you know letter H, let us see if you can still remember it. Kindly pick up all letter H that you can see from the different letters below and paste them on the whiteboard. Are you ready?
Yeah!
So let's start picking them up. All your answers are correct. Good job! Okay, let us now sing the letter song, which is the letter H song. Sing along with me in 3, 2, 1.
Letter H is fun to write, really fun to write. Letter H, the eighth letter of the alphabet. With a sound of here we go with a fluffy H. Letter H is fun to write, really fun to write.
Thank you for singing along with me, kids. Now we are very much ready to begin to practice how to write the letter H. First, we are going to write the big, the capital, or the mama H. Kindly raise your hand and point your finger on the air. Are you ready?
Yeah!
If you are, let's begin. Let us draw 2 vertical lines, then a horizontal line that connects them. Let's practice another one. Let's write the first vertical line, then the second vertical line, then let's connect them with the horizontal line. Vertical line, then let's draw another vertical line, then horizontal line that connects them. It is the small or the baby H turn. straight vertical line, then curved line going downwards. Let's try another one. Straight vertical line, then curved line going downwards. Last one. Straight vertical line, then curved line going downwards. You did a great job, kids! It's tracing time! So grab your paper and pencil now and let us trace the big, the capital, or the mama H together with the small or baby H. Are you ready?
Yeah!
So let's trace them up! This is the big, the capital, or the mama H. Then the small h. The big, the capital, or mama H, then the small h. Big H, then small h. Big letter H, then the small h. You are doing great on the first row. Now we are going to write on the second row. That's a big capital H, then the small h. We will keep on writing. We will never give up.
Yeah!
Hold your pencil still because we are going to continue writing. Big H, small h, big H, small h. Last pair of letter H, the big H, then the small h. Congratulations! Now it's the time to write them on paper without guide. I am very, very excited to write them with you. Are you ready now?
Yeah!
While we write letter H, let's produce its sound. Big H, the sound is Next will be the small h. The sound is Big H. The sound is small h. Big H. The sound is small h. We are almost finished. Let us write on the second row or the last row. Big, capital, or mama H. The sound is Next will be the small or baby H. The sound is Big H. The sound is small h. Big H. The sound is And the small letter H. The sound is Yes, we all did it! Congratulations to all of us! That's the end of the sound and letter practice of the letter H. Remember that the sound of both big and small h is For the review of the other letters of the alphabet, I will put down the playlist link on the description below. Always remember that practice makes perfect. So, keep on practicing. Once again, this is your teacher Neri, and wishing you all good luck on your journey to learn the letters of the alphabet. Bye-bye, kids! Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe. Share this video with your friends. Don't forget to leave your comments down below. Once again, this is Teacher Neri, and see you on my next video. Bye-bye!